Good morning everyone. Pratham 2 is last 5. I want to welcome everyone to our math lesson for today in Pratham 2. So, how are you today? I hope everybody is doing great. So for our math lesson, for our first meeting, it's about writing and reading numbers. Okay? So we are going to write numbers from, numbers to 1,000. Alright? And then we're going to read their English words. Okay? So writing and reading numbers. Alright. So here, please open up your textbook on page 2, letter A. In letter A. Okay, right there. Let's practice. Alright, let's get back to our numbers. Let's practice reading the English words and the Hindu-Arabic. Okay, so later on we'll be using pictures. Okay, so read these numbers aloud. Please read it out loud or repeat after me. Right? So here, 136. Okay, so this is the Hindu-Arabic 136. Alright, and this is the Thai numerals, but we're not going to focus on the Thai numerals, only the Hindu-Arabic and the English words. Right? Again, 136, that's how we write the Hindu-Arabic, and the English word 136. Okay? 136. Please repeat after me. Alright? The next number, 211. Okay? Hindu-Arabic, 211. For the English word, 211. Okay, let me remind you guys your spelling. When we write numbers, please make sure that you write your numbers correctly, your Hindu-Arabic, and with correct spelling. Alright? Your English word, the numbers in their English words. Okay? Next, 375. Right? That is the Hindu-Arabic. For the English word, 375. Okay? So we say 70 when we say 70. Or if you cannot say this, you could just say 70. It's okay. Alright? 70. I know it's hard for you to pronounce this. TY making into sounds like D. Okay? 70 is fine. Alright? So the next one, 469. Alright? For the English word, 400. Remember? F-O-U-R. 469. Okay? Next, 540. 540. Right? The English word, 540 or 540. It's okay. Next, 647. Right? 647, that's the Arabic, Hindu-Arabic. The English word, 647 or 647. Okay? Next, word 952. Okay, and we have here the biggest number. So we will be talking numbers until 1000. Okay, here in 1000, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. In 1000, there are 3 zeros. Okay, and the English word 1000. Right? Please remember the spelling of thousand. We spell it as THOUSAND. Alright? 1000. 1000. Okay? Now, let's practice counting by ones first. By ones. Right? By ones. I hope you can see my numbers right here. Alright? So here we don't have 0. Okay? So let's start from 1. So 1, counting by 1. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? As we can see, these are single digit, 1 digit. Okay? So from 1 to 9. All right. Now next, I want you all to count by 10. Everybody, let's count by 10. Okay? So tens consist of 2 digits. 2 digits. Okay? So the ones and the tens. Right? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Alright? So that is counting by 10. So as we can see, there are 2 digits. The ones and the tens, the place value. We'll get to that later on. Okay? Next, I want you all to please count with me by hundreds. Okay? By hundreds. Okay? 100. Okay? Please repeat after me. 100. Next, 200. Right? 200. Next, 300. 300. Next one, 400. 400. Next, 500. 500. Okay? 600. 600. 700. 700. Next, 800. 800. Next is 900. 900. And what is next to 900? Okay, by the way, here in hundreds, there are 3 digits. Okay? Ones, tens, hundreds. The place value, ones, tens, hundreds. Alright? So, what's next to 900? Is 1000. Okay? 1000. As we can see here in 1000, there is a comma. Okay? The comma. Here in this comma will when our number is in thousand. Okay, it's easy for us to read if we have comma. All right, so 1,000. So when we write 1,000, make sure that you insert your small comma. All right, so this is 1,000. Okay, all right. Now let's get to page 3, right there, using pictures. Look at the picture, and then we are going to write the Hindu Arabic and its English word. Okay, how many sticks are there? How many sticks? Can you tell me how many sticks are there in the picture? Okay, so here, don't worry, we're not going to count the sticks one by one, alright? Because they are already in bundle or by group, okay? So these sticks are grouped by hundreds, alright? So one group, meaning to say that is 100, alright? So another 100, 100, 100, alright? How many groups of 100s there that we can see? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we're gonna count by hundreds, okay? By hundreds. And then here, how many sticks are there? Now we have single stick, okay? 1 stick, 2 sticks, 3 sticks. Alright? Now you're ready to count. Let's count by hundreds. Alright? So that is 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay? So that is 4 groups of 100 is equal to 400. Right? So 400. And then how many groups of ones? 1, 2, 3. Alright? So 400 and 3 tenths. Alright? So continue counting. 400, 401, 402, 403. Alright? How many sticks are there? Can you tell me now? How many sticks? There are 403 sticks. Okay? Again, how many sticks are there? Your answer? There are 403 sticks. Okay? Now, please don't forget to say the word and, right? A-N-D. And. Okay? In between the 100, after the 100, okay? 400. So after the word 100, there is the word and. Okay? When we write, okay? When we write numbers in English words. So that is 403. Okay? 403. Alright. Now, okay. What was the number again? We have 403. Alright? I want to show you 403 here. Okay? 403. The Hindu Arabic. How do we write this in English word? What is the English word? Okay? Can you spell 4 first? This. When we read numbers, we look at on the left first. Okay? So the digit on the left is 4. So that is 4. How do we spell 4? hundred. Okay, because it's in tens. Okay, 400. 400. Alright. What's next? The word and. Okay. 400 and what is this? What digit? 3. Can you spell 3? THREE. Right there. Okay? So the Hindu-Arabic number 403. Remember, there are 3 digits. 40 and 3. 403. The English word 403. Alright, get it? Next, let's go to the next group of sticks. Oh, there's a lot. Alright, how many groups of hundreds? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, 5 groups of hundreds. That is, how many? 5 groups of hundred is 500. Alright, so when we count 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Alright, so that is 500. Can we see groups of tens? Yes, we can see. Alright, how many groups of tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, it's easier to count here because they are already grouped. Alright, okay, so we count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. Alright, so that is 77 groups of tens is equal to 70. Alright, what about the ones? Right, these are the ones. Hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 500. Can you please count? You can do addition. 500 plus 70 plus 8. How many? How many sticks? How many sticks are there? So 500 plus 70 is 570, right? Plus 8. That is equal to 578. Alright? Next, what about the English word for this number 578? Alright? So 578 is written as 5, F-I-V-E. Make sure when you write your English word, please check your spelling. go. G, H, T. Okay? Everybody, please read aloud. 578. Okay? Next. Okay. So how many sticks? How many hundreds make 1,000 here? Okay, how many? First, look at the picture. How many hundreds? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 groups of hundreds is equal to 800. When we count by 100, we say 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Alright? So 800. How many sticks are there? Answer? There are 800 sticks. Okay? There are 800 sticks. So 800, 800. Okay? So 8, E-I-G-H-T. 8. Do we need the word and here? No. Do we need hyphen? No. So 800. Just a space. Okay? We don't need hyphen. And the word and. Alright? 800. One more time. 800. Alright. So for your activity in this lesson for today about writing and reading numbers to 1,000, please open up your workbook on page 3. Okay? Page 3 for today's lesson. Letter A, exercise letter A. Alright? Count. And then write in numerals and words. Just like what we did here. Numerals and English words. You get it? Okay? Hindu-Arabic here. Right? The Hindu-Arabic, of course, we need to count. Okay? Count by hundreds, counting by 10, and counting by ones. Okay? The Hindu-Arabic. And then, we don't need this. Okay? Please do not write anything here in time numeral. Okay? We don't need. Alright? So,